Dog Wif Hat, the premier meme coin of the Solana ecosystem, the darling of this cycle. I mean, the guys, come on, they put a damn hat on the dog. Does it get any crazier than that in the meme coin space? I don't think it does. It is the bleeding edge technology of cryptocurrency memes. The question is, though, can it go much higher? And I believe the answer is yes. And I want to, in this video, talk about the Dog Wif Hat breakout, talk about the challenge of it overcoming previous all-time highs, talk about the catalysts that could see it rallying up to $15 freaking dollars, maybe more. Let's get into it. So, first and foremost, I'd like to inform you, by the way, that I do have a trade open right now on Dog Wif Hat. Got in around the retest down here of this major downtrend support. I got in around $2. So yay for me on that situation. But I think it's going to go much higher. I have not taken profits on that trade yet. I think Dog Wif Hat can push much higher in the coming weeks and months. Okay, and I know that this weekly candle is looking pretty gnarly after that wild hype came in around the Coinbase listing. More on that in a few minutes, but let's just look at where Dog Wif Hat is right now. Beautiful downtrend break, okay? This is the year-long downtrend line right there. Broke out back here in September, came up, retested that line again in late October, early November as support. So that's a retest of the downtrend breakout. The price pushed much higher off of that. So beautiful reaction. That's the kind of reaction that you want to see on that kind of retest move. Bullish engulfing candle on the week of 4 November. Big candle this week as well with a giant fat wick based on the news hype around Wif getting listed on Coinbase. Okay. Now, here are the key areas of support and resistance that we need to keep an eye out for. So on the Coinbase news, the price of Wif rallied super high right up to test, just touch, previous all-time highs back here. Okay, so right around $4.90. Beautiful, beautiful technical move here from Wif. Now, currently, we have retraced back down to an area of key previous resistance, trying to flip that now into price support. That's right here around the $3.60 area. So you can see it was resistance here, it was resistance here, it was resistance here, it was resistance here. Okay, so that's what you want to see. You want to see this now get flipped into price support. Okay, what was once resistance can now become price support. If this currently fails to hold as price support, the next major level down is around $3. You can see it was resistance here and here and here. And you want to see that hold as support. Okay, this is, I think, a pretty critical level for Dog Wif Hat to hold. And if we do go down to $3, is probably an interesting entry point for those looking to get exposure to the biggest meme coin on the Solana network. Okay. So that's where you want to keep an eye out for. But when we break the all-time high of $4.90, all-time high breakouts tend to be pretty strong moves that tend to see the price move very fast because there is no resistance overhead. Just clear skies for price discovery, essentially. We have not got there yet, okay? We tapped the previous all-time high. The resistance acted as resistance. We've seen a correction back down to a key area of hopefully price support. If that fails to hold, again, watch out for $3 as I think a really critical line in the sand for Dog Wif Hat to hold if we want to see the price continue for a very, very strong uptrend in the near future. Now, we got some price prediction targets here for when we do break out beyond that previous all-time high, whenever that is going to happen for us. But before we get into that, real quick, if you're a cryptocurrency trader, check out what the guys over at BitUnix are doing, okay? You can get a sweet deposit bonus. More details on that in just a second, but I want to make sure that you guys know this is a no KYC exchange, so you can come over here and have privacy for your cryptocurrency trading, which I know is important for a lot of people out there, so go check that out, okay, if that's something you want to look into. And, of course, you can get a sweet deposit bonus, which is fantastic news. So what you do, deposit $200 or more, and you'll get 150 US bucks back, which is an insane deposit rebate, to be honest. Now, that's a limited time offer, by the way. It's only going until the 23rd of November, so if you want to take advantage of this particular offer, deposit $200. Link down below. That's step one. Click on the link. Step two, deposit $200. Step 3, get your $150 for free. Those rewards are paid out daily, by the way, so you don't have to wait around weeks to get that reward. You deposit $200, you get $150 back on the same day, okay? So check it out if you want to participate in that. Link down below. Okay, so price targets for Dog with Hat. So when we break, when, not if, okay? We're in a bull market, okay? Until otherwise proven, we're in a bull market. And when we're in a bull market, meme coins tend to perform the best. Solana meme coins tend to perform the best. Dog with Hat's the biggest meme coin on Solana. Therefore, I think it's worth paying attention to. And that's not just me saying that because I've got an open trade on Dog with Hat here, but because I think it is going to go higher. There's a reason why I have an open trade on Dog with Hat, because I think the price is going to go a lot higher. That's why. Okay, so when we break previous highs, how high could we go? What are possible price targets? And look, I know things can get pretty crazy with meme coins, and you know, these price targets may not be bullish enough. Last cycle, for example, I just want to point this out. Last cycle, we saw Dogecoin absolutely rip through all of the Fibonacci targets, okay, and then create a whole new extension of Fibonacci targets that it came up to reach the top of. So you can have that situation, okay? This is a predictive tool, but it's not a crystal ball. I don't have a crystal ball, okay? Just because, you know, something can happen in markets doesn't mean it's going to, okay? So please understand that when looking into any kind of cryptocurrency trading. Crypto trading is risky. It's super volatile. You can lose all your money in a very short amount of time, okay? Okay, seriously, take it seriously. Now, that being said, key targets using the Fibonacci extensions here. So first major take profit target of an all-time high breakout would be $7.30 approximately. Second one would be here around $11.30, and the third target would be up here basically at $15. Now, I think the $15 price target is a realistic price target here for Dog with Hat. And again, maybe it overperforms. Maybe I'm not being bullish enough, but I think that's a realistic target to take profits at, considering the move, okay? Because if we do get to $15, you're probably going to see a retracement at that level. And maybe then we need to start and look and assess anew how Dog with Hat's going to perform moving forward from that point, okay? So that's a big target, okay? That means we need to see Dog with Hat put in some serious moves in order to even reach there from our current price level, okay? That's a 300% move for Dog with Hat from our current prices. So keep that in mind, all right? That's a big move for a multi-billion-dollar cap meme coin. However, is it an unreasonable move? No, it's not. Dog with Hat just got listed on Coinbase, which is a big catalyst right now because it means more money can come into Dog with Hat. Okay. Coinbase got 120, 130, 140 million global users. And what do normie investors love? Meme coins. Meme coins. Very simple idea. They took a dog, they put a hat on it. I love that. Let me buy it. Okay. Or they're going to buy your nerd coin. Maybe they'll buy your nerd coin. Buy some Eigenlayer, man. I'm going to buy some Eigenlayer. They're doing restaking and data availability, dude. Anyway, we love meme coins here, okay? Meme coins are fantastic to trade when the conditions are right. Obviously, massive volatility, you can lose all your money. Don't forget that. I keep hammering that point home. It's very true. But anyway, I've got an interesting example for you. What happened when Shiba Inu got listed on Coinbase back in 2021? Well, you saw a nice, beautiful initial pump. A week or so later, we retraced most of that move, but then things started to heat up as the reality of the liquidity flows started to heat up, as all the normie investors on Coinbase got on Coinbase and started going, oh, I'm going to buy this dog coin. And the price from the time that the Coinbase listing was announced until basically the end of the cycle went up 1,200%. So yeah, maybe my 300% price target is not bullish enough for Dog with Hat. And in case you're saying, well, but it must have been so much smaller market cap or something. No, at the time, Shiba Inu had like a $3 or $4 billion market cap around a similar level. Actually, Dog with Hat's less than that right now. And these were the kind of gains that it put in. So it went from about a $4 billion market cap to a $3 billion market cap to a $40 billion market cap in the space of just a few months, a little over a month, 6 weeks actually. It's possible, okay? This is what you need to understand. A Coinbase listing and exposure to all that normie money makes this possible, okay? That's the thesis. That's what I'm trading on. That's where I am right now, looking at this dog with hat trade and where it could go. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you trading dog with hat? Do you like dog with hat? Do you own dog with hat? Do you think my trade prediction makes sense? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.